Foods that can kill your cat. Chocolate. Cats are known for their love of food, but some foods can be deadly to cats if ingested. One of the most dangerous foods for cats is chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine, a toxic compound to cats, and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, increased thirst and urination, an irregular heartbeat, seizures, and death. Theobromine is a naturally occurring chemical in chocolate, tea, and other foods. It can be deadly to cats if ingested in large amounts. The amount of theobromine that can be fatal to cats depends on the type of chocolate and the cat's size. Darker chocolates, such as baking chocolate or dark chocolate, contain higher levels of theobromine than milk. Alcohol. Alcohol is a common ingredient in many human foods and beverages, but it can be incredibly dangerous for cats. Even small amounts of alcohol can cause vomiting, diarrhea, loss of coordination, central nervous system depression, and in severe cases, coma and death. Cats are much more sensitive to the effects of alcohol than humans are. This means that even a small amount of alcohol can have serious consequences for cats. For example, a teaspoon of beer or wine can cause intoxication in a cat, while a tablespoon can be fatal. Alcohol is found in many human foods and beverages, including beer, wine, hard liquor, liqueurs, and even some desserts. It is also present in over-the-counter medications and household products such as mouthwash and hand sanitizer. Avocados. Avocados are a popular food item that can be found in many dishes, but they should not be given to cats. Avocados contain persin, a toxin that can cause vomiting and diarrhea in cats if ingested. Sometimes, it can lead to more serious health issues, such as difficulty breathing or fluid accumulation around the heart. If your cat has eaten an avocado, it is important to watch for any signs of illness and contact your veterinarian immediately. While avocados are a tasty treat for humans, they can be deadly for cats, so it is best to keep them away from your furry friend. Coffee, tea, and energy drinks are popular human beverages, but can be deadly for cats. These drinks contain caffeine, a stimulant that can be toxic to cats and cause serious health problems. Ingesting even small amounts of caffeine can lead to rapid breathing, increased heart rate, muscle tremors, and seizures in cats. Caffeine toxicity can be fatal for cats, so it is important to keep these drinks away from your pet. If you think your cat has ingested caffeine, contact your veterinarian immediately. Coffee and tea are the most common sources of caffeine toxicity in cats. Coffee grounds, beans, and brewed coffee all contain high levels of caffeine that can be dangerous for cats. Tea also contains caffeine, although usually lower. Fatty foods. Fatty foods can be a real danger to cats, as they can cause pancreatitis, a serious condition in which the pancreas becomes inflamed. This inflammation can cause abdominal pain and vomiting in cats, and if left untreated, it can be fatal. Common fatty foods that should be avoided include bacon, sausage, ham, cheese, butter, cream cheese, ice cream, and nuts. Even small amounts of these foods can be dangerous for cats, as their digestive systems are not designed to process them. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins can be a tasty treat for humans, but can be deadly to cats. Even in small quantities, grapes and raisins can cause kidney failure in cats. The exact cause of this toxicity is unknown, but it is believed that the toxins found in grapes and raisins are responsible for kidney damage. Symptoms of grape or raisin toxicity in cats can include vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and anorexia. If your cat has eaten grapes or raisins, it is important to seek veterinary care immediately. Treatment may include inducing vomiting and administering activated charcoal to absorb the toxins in the stomach. In some cases, intravenous fluids may be necessary to flush out the toxins from the kidneys and prevent further damage. Onions and garlic are also toxic, as they contain compounds that can damage red blood cells. Keeping these foods away from cats is important, as even small amounts can be deadly. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic are two common ingredients in many dishes, but they can be dangerous for cats. Onions and garlic contain compounds that can damage red blood cells and cause anemia. Eating large amounts of either of these foods can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain in cats. The compounds found in onions and garlic are known as thiosulfates, which can cause a condition known as hemolytic anemia in cats. Raw fish. Raw fish can be a dangerous food for cats, as it contains an enzyme that can break down thiamine. Thiamine is an essential vitamin for cats, and when it is deficient, cats can suffer from a variety of symptoms, including loss of appetite, seizures, and even death. The enzyme in raw fish that breaks down thiamine is called thiaminase. This enzyme can be found in some types of fish, such as carp, salmon, and trout. While cats may enjoy the taste of raw fish, it is important to remember that it can be dangerous. Cats should never be fed raw fish or other raw meat. If you are considering feeding your cat a diet that includes fish, make sure to cook it thoroughly. Bones from fish, poultry, or meat can be a serious health hazard for cats. While cats may enjoy the taste of these bones, they can splinter and cause obstructions or tears in the digestive system. This can lead to serious health problems such as vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, and even death. It is important to keep all bones away from cats. If you are feeding your cat fish, poultry, or meat, remove all bones before giving them to your pet. Even small pieces of bone can be dangerous and should not be given to cats. Dog food. Dog food is not nutritionally balanced for cats and can be dangerous if fed to them. Cats have different nutritional needs than dogs, and feeding them dog food can lead to malnutrition or other health problems. Dog food is typically higher in protein and fat than cat food, which can cause obesity in cats if they are overfed. Additionally, dog food often lacks the essential nutrients that cats need, such as taurine, an amino acid that cats must get from their diet. A lack of taurine can lead to serious health problems such as heart disease and blindness. Dog food also contains higher calcium levels than cat food, which can cause bladder stones in cats if fed too much. Yeast dough. Yeast dough is a common ingredient in many baked goods, but can be deadly for cats. When ingested, the dough can expand in the cat's digestive system and cause pain, bloating, and in severe cases, twisting the intestines. This condition is known as gastric dilatation volvulus, GDV, and can be fatal if not treated quickly. Milk and dairy products. Many cats are lactose intolerant and can experience diarrhea, abdominal pain, and other digestive problems after consuming dairy products. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are a popular snack for humans, but can be deadly for cats. Eating macadamia nuts can cause vomiting, hyperthermia, and tremors in cats. These symptoms can be severe and may require medical attention. It is best to keep macadamia nuts away from your cat at all times. Human vitamins and supplements. Some vitamins and supplements can be toxic to cats in high doses and cause symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. Human vitamins and supplements can be dangerous for cats if not administered properly.